Hello and welcome to DevHero AI. In this quick video, I'll give you a brief overview of how fast and easy DevHero AI works. Let's get started. Log into the application, and from the Site menu, you'll find all the features available inside DevHero AI. Let's move to AI Interactive Developer. Click on AI Interactive Developer. We have multiple AI agents here, like Project Manager, Onboarding Assistant, Training Assistant, etc. Let me show you an example with Ava, Onboarding Assistant. How to build a successful AI application.
Hello, I'm Ava, the Onboarding Assistant. How can I help you? Welcome! I'm thrilled you're here and interested in building a successful AI application. This journey can be exciting, and I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and support. Let's get started. Hang on. Step 1. Define your purpose, what to do. Identify the specific problem your AI application will solve or the need it will fulfill. Why it matters. A clear purpose will guide your development process and keep your project focused. Step 2. Research and understand your audience, what to do. Conduct market research to understand your target user feedback, their pain points, and preferences. Why it matters. Knowing your audience helps you tailor your application to meet their needs effectively. Step 3. Choose the right technology and tools. What to do. Select the appropriate programming languages, frameworks, and tools for your application, like TensorFlow, PyTorch, etc.
Now going back to another feature, AI Coding Developer. Here you have multiple AI coders who can write code for you or your clients. You'll find various AI developers across multiple fields. For example, let's talk to Alex, web developer. Now heading to the Website Builder feature. There are two options here, Site Creation and Pages. Let's move to Site Creation. This feature lets you launch your own AI-powered software website where users can access live AI developers and you get paid via PayPal. Here's how. Click Create Site, choose your domain, subdomain or custom, upload your logo, set your contact email, add site content, and set your pricing. Once done, your fully automated AI software business is ready. Click the link and your live AI software business is ready to explore. Let's now explore these key features. Payment setting. Here's where you can connect your PayPal account to start receiving payments from your AI freelancing site. Opt-in subscriber. This section shows emails collected via the form in your site's footer. These are potential leads and clients who've opted in to hear from you. Customers. This shows you a list of users who've purchased services on your site, so you can track sales and manage your clients easily. You'll also find bonuses, tutorials, and 24/7 support inside the platform. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy building your own AI developer team with DevHero AI.